How to change your Slack profile picture. Make your workspace say you. Here's how to update your profile picture that actually looks like you and not a circle and a half circle. Firstly, open your Slack and then at the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. There you can see your profile name and your profile pictures or a icon like a person. Simply tap on it. There you can see edit profile, edit photo. Simply tap on edit photo, view photo from library, or you can just take a photo. Tap on view photo library. Simply choose any picture that you like this. Keep your own photo. For now I have chosen another picture of a drink, but you can always choose your own personal photo like this. Simply tap on